been a long time coming. Always wanted to do this stuff to the tractor. A lot has been done. A lot of work, time, effort, energy has been put in. Everything works as it's supposed to. These marker lights. Slip grip on the trailer. Our welded patches. New brakes, shocks. There's that brake shocks, bushings, lock adjusters, brake cams, all done. And wiring, new tail lights, slip grip, backup camera in, new bar light, new license plate light. PTO system. And now for the grand finale, how the inside came out. Let's check it out. New door speakers. Up there. These were the best idea everybody had. These little nuts, man, they were really good. Refrigerator, inverter, subwoofer, where the old fridge used to go, new shelf. You got the top bunk there. Yep, she's ready.